Come down here. Bobby! Robert! Would you please turn that stupid music down? You're not the only one who lives here.
Mom, look at this.
I'm going to the restaurant. There's leftovers in the... Well, you know where to find them.
But wait, I'm sick of pasta.
Also, I have something to tell you. Starting tomorrow, you'll be washing dishes in the restaurant 3 times a week. Our dishwasher quit yesterday.
What the? Why does it have to be on the same days as my guitar lesson?
Bobby, we'll get to spend time together like we used to before. It'll be good for us.
Look, the Battle of the Bands is coming up. What about weekends instead?
No. We have enough people on the weekend. Bobby, I'm counting on you. It's time for you to step up.
You don't understand.
I do understand. I miss him too. Consider this your first paycheck. You'll get the rest at the end of the week. You break more plates, I break your bones.
Hey, how's it going, dipshit?
For the millionth time, Roger, you can't smoke in here. You know.
I don't see any sign. Do you, see any sign?
You fucking asshole. Where's Phoebe?
I heard she works at the studio now. Yeah.
Yeah, fuck,
Big time.
she's lucky.
Yeah. I bet you she's making out with one of the guys there. You know? I mean, she's a cutie, right?
Fuck that shit. We don't need her anyways, right?
Oh, hey. Chill. Like, you're acting like you're the leader of the band. I mean, you don't even have a guitar anymore.
You know, I'm gonna get it soon, okay? It's gonna happen. 40% off.
Happy early birthday to me! Yeah! Hey mom, look, Battle of the Bands is coming up. Can I have this week and next week off, please?
Bobby, we have no one to cover your shifts.
Relax, mom. You won't have to worry about that anymore once I win the competition, right?
Oh, well, that's just great. Great. Then what? Are you going to become a famous rock star? Are you going to tour the world? Huh? Look, it's nice to have dreams, Bobby, but you need to be realistic.
Is that what you told Dad?
Raj, you're late again. Where's Phoebe? She not coming?
Yeah, about that. The quartet has her now.
The quartet?
Yeah.
That doesn't make any sense.
I know.
They can have more than 4 members, right?
Right.
Right.
Yeah.
What the fuck? Get the fuck out of here.
Hey, yo, is that a new guitar?
I'm sorry, Mom. Let me do it. I got it.
Hey, Bobby,
What?
can you please tell Roger to bring back my no smoking sign?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Hey, I don't think it's gonna stick like that.
Sorry about last night, bro.
It's all right. Do you have some glue for that, or?
No, but I can buy some.
Hey, about that, can you lend me some money, please?
Sure. How much?
A lot. Fuck.
Shit. Bro, for that kind of price, like, nah, fam. Like, I'm sorry.
Doesn't matter that much as long as you're tough. Mama said what you wanna be when you grow up. Doesn't matter that much as long as you're tough. Say you wanna be a spaceman playing in a rock band. What you waiting on a wristband? Oh, there's nothing to it. You gotta just do it. Everybody seems to want it a lot, and if you're right, I see you shoot straight to the top of the phone.